Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I wanted to show you how to blend colors together and to cut a crease. So if you want to learn how to blend shadows together and cut a crease, then let's jump right into the video. Alright guys, so as you can see, my eyebrows are already done. Typically when I do a full face of makeup, I always do my eyes first, so if I have fallout, I don't have to worry about messing up my foundation or anything like that. So to start with, you'll need a packing brush and some primer of your choice and some shadows. So for a packing brush, I will be using this Morphe brush right here. It is not too dense, but dense enough. Then you'll also need some flat brushes, and for that I'll be using these. Also for the base, I'll be using the P. Louise base in Rumor 01. To start out with, we're going to prime the eyes. Just packing it all over. I'm just going to take a little sponge and just kind of diffuse it out further, and I'm going to take it all the way up as far as I can to the brow, because I do utilize this entire space because I have hooded eyes. So if you have hooded eyes, you'll want to utilize the entire space, because all it's going to do is just make your eye space look larger. The next I'm going to be going over, this is the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. So I'm going to be starting with Not My Journey, and then I'm going to blend that out with Stay True, A Therapy Sesh, and Lolly Mama. I'm going to take my packing brush and I'm going to pick up the darkest purple, which is Not My Journey, and we're just going to begin to pack it in the shape that you want to cut your crease. This purple is beautiful. And I always like to wing out my crease, so I'm kind of just messily plopping this color down, and we're going to swoosh it out right here. Just like that. So next I'm going to take the burgundy shade Stay True, and I'm just going to tap it right along the edge of the first shade. This is going to help us blend out the next shade. I'm going to take a smaller brush that's kind of fluffy, so I can just blend out shades that I just laid down. So take Therapy Sesh, the light purple, and I'm going to just place it here, and I'm going to blend out those shades. Now I'm going to pick up the shade Feeling Myself. It's this orange shade, and we're just going to toss it on the outer corner right here. And now it looks like we've lost some of our depth right there in the middle, so I'm going to go ahead and pick up the dark purple again on another kind of a tapered blending brush like this right here. Looks like this. I'm going to just go back in and deepen up that purple. And to make it even more deep, I'm just going to tap real lightly into the black and then blend those two together. Purple and black. It just makes it a little bit more deeper, as you can see. I know it looks a hot mess, but you just have to trust the process. Just get your colors down that you want. And that's why I prime all the way up to my eyebrow, because I utilize this whole entire space. Alright, so now that your colors are laid, it looks crazy, it looks crappy. Again, you can see the fallout down in here. That's why I don't do my foundation first. So for that reason, I do my eyes first, because if I had foundation on, I would have ruined my whole face. So now you're going to need a makeup remover or Vaseline or anything of your choice. I preferably use this right here from Walmart. And then I also use Q-tips. So I'm going to take my Q-tip and dip it into the makeup remover, and then just begin to clean up and wipe away. Outside edge. I'm just going to clean all of that up because I don't want any of that there. Okay, so now to clean up this choppiness for the next step, I'm going to take this small brush right here. Let me see if you can see it. Looks like this. It's very thin, very precise. I'm not sure what kind of brush it is. I don't know, but anyways, it's got a very thin tip. going to take that brush and I'm going to dip it into my makeup remover. And now I'm just going to take it and clean up. This is a trick I also learned from LSG Makeup. She's here on YouTube. I can link her channel down below if you want to check her out. She's an absolutely amazing makeup artist and her cut creases are fire. Alright guys, so for this next part you can actually use your choice of concealer to carve out the crease. I used to use the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer, which I love. I don't have a problem with it. However, I've learned by using a pot concealer, something more thick, that I have more control over my cut crease with a pot concealer. So I'm going to take the same brush that I was using to clean up the crease with the makeup remover, and I'm going to just get some of this just like this. And once I pick up some, I'm going to rub it on the back of my hand just to warm it up. And then this is what I'm going to use to actually start carving out the crease. Start stamping this. Now this is one I completed and I'm pretty satisfied with it. This is how I like to carve out my crease. It just makes it look crisp and it makes it look like you have a lot of eye space, maybe when you don't, because I really have hooded eyes. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do this eye and I will be right back. Alright guys, I'm back and this eye is finished, and that is pretty much it for how you blend out shadows and you cut the crease. I finished the rest of my face and I'll be right back to wrap this video up. Alright guys, this is the completed look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit the little notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video, which has not been often, but if you don't hit the bell then you're not going to be notified. So, till next time, bye guys.